Welcome! Today, we'll show you how to add a device using your Rogers Xfinity app. Let's go! With the Rogers Xfinity app, you can easily access and control all your smart home devices, including door locks, LED lights and smart plugs, thermostats, and more. Before you get started, please check the list of smart devices to make sure it'll work with your Rogers Xfinity app. Also, make sure you've set up an account with your device's manufacturer and can connect through any of their required apps. You'll need that login later. To get started, open the Rogers Xfinity app and sign in using your Rogers username and password. On the Overview page, select the Home tab and then select the plus icon. Next, scroll through the list and choose the brand of the device you're trying to connect. Select Link Now. You'll be asked to sign into the third-party account you made when you first set up your smart device. Sign in using your third-party username and password and select Finish to complete your setup. That's it. Enjoy the ease and convenience of controlling all your smart home devices using the Rogers Xfinity app.